and delicious. If you don't have time to slow cook soup, why not make a steaming bowl of quick-boiled soup instead?
Exactly, for soup lovers. Quick-boiled soups are simple and easy to make, perfect for a fast, comforting meal on busy weekdays. Today's dong chai and seaweed soup is incredibly flavorful. Give it a try, everyone. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you cook it at home. Ingredients: dong chai, egg tofu, seaweed, egg. Add water into soup pot and ready to boil soup. Rinse the dong chai in a colander under running water for 30 seconds to remove surface salt and dust. Add the clean dong chai to the soup pot and bring to a boil to fully extract its flavor. This is the secret to making a delicious broth. Optional to add vegetable soup broth cubes to enhance the flavor. Bring the broth to a rolling boil over high heat. Once your broth is boiling, put the lid on and let it cook gently for just 1 minute. Let's multitask. As the soup simmers, quickly cube that silky egg tofu. Egg tofu makes soups delightfully silky, a simple yet delicious choice. The broth will infused egg tofu melts in your mouth with umami richness. Beat the egg in a bowl until evenly mixed, then set aside. When egg mixture is drizzled into boiling broth, it instantly forms cloud-like wisps, creating a light yet flavorful soup with delicate egg aroma. Once soup is boiled, add egg tofu. Cook for approximately 2 minutes. Honestly, you won't need extra seasoning. The preserved cabbage and veggie broth cubes pack enough savory punch already. Pour egg mixture in slow circular motions at gentle simmer to achieve silky strands, yielding a texture even more tender than tofu. Golden egg floors glistening with broth dissolve on the tongue, perfectly contrasting with crisp vegetables for layered textures. Fresh egg mixture solidifies into chrysanthemum bright golden strands, unfurling like blooming petals in clear broth. Ta-da! Your steaming hot preserved cabbage and egg tofu seaweed soup is ready to warm your soul. This soup is a flavor symphony. Preserved cabbage's cello depth, seaweed's triangle chime brightness, with egg tofu's creamy aftertaste as the lingering finale. Dong chai delivers savory umami with fermented depth, softened yet retaining slight crunch after simmering. Paper-thin seaweed sheets bloom instantly, imparting oceanic minerals that dissolve completely. Crystal clear amber liquid balancing preserved cabbage's richness with seaweed's briny clarity. Custard yellow egg tofu cubes with pudding soft texture burst with creamy egg fragrance. Who could resist this egg drop soup? The freshly drizzled egg ribbons form golden clouds, feathery at the edges with a delicate custardy center that melts luxuriously on the tongue. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.